All right then. Hello. Welcome. Welcome to the basement. Penny, how are you doing? Penny has come to hang out. Isn't that lovely? Hello, lovely cat. All right, maybe I can move these. Maybe I'll have some more space here. Hello, Penny. 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 That's Penny. I don't know what Penny is after today. Except that she just wanted to come down and say hi. Hi. Yes, Penny, that's a light. I could maybe aim this just a little lower. Maybe I will. Excuse me. Just a moment. Just a moment. That should do. All right. That should do fine, I think. Penny, are you up there? Penny, do you see yourself? Yes. All right. Well, here we are in the basement. And here we have count them, two purple pillows that we used to have a couch and a love seat that went along with this. The couch is gone. The love seat is over there. So I figure I will find a way to put these over there. They can be handy, these pillows. Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. Yes, they can be, and they match. So I'll set these here for a second. And Penny, I really want to move this light. Okay, so here we have a hanging light of sorts. I remember I got it years ago at an auction. I've always wanted to have it somewhere. I've always liked the looks of it. It reminded me of when I worked one summer at an advertising agency long ago. There was a fellow there. He actually had the same last name as me. And he was an artist, and he came up with all kinds of cool things. And ads, of course, and things. And whatever office he went to, he always had this hanging light that had to be there, he told me. And so, anyway, I found this at an auction. I'm just trying to sort out the cord here. It has become some twisted and tangled in the chain. And I'm not sure why. Alright, oh yeah. So I will keep pulling. I really don't want to hurt the chain, but I do want this to be kind of more sort of stretched out, as it were, the way it should be. This might seem to be working. It's easy to get these things kind of twisted. Maybe I'll do a little pulling here. Maybe. And then... Oh, yeah. Have I even got any of it better? I'm not sure. Maybe a little. I guess it kind of wiggles its way through the chain. It does. It does have a hook. I just haven't found a place to hang it as of yet. I have not. But maybe I will. I wonder if this is actually going to make a damn bit of difference. I guess it should. I get it stretched out here. It should. You would think it would. But will it? I guess we'll find out. I would just like to have it stretched out as long as I can, the way it's supposed to be. Boy, there does seem to be a lot of extra chain here. Okay, we're almost there. All right, let's see here. Well, there's still a bit of a kink here. But it's much better. Much better, and now, I guess the thing I need to do, if it will fit, is take the plug, stick it through this one. Take the plug and stick it through the last one. And then, it's all kind of done. It is, except it's still got this waggle here. It does have a waggle. Will that stretch out? No, it really won't. Alright, well, keep pulling. Good, it does seem to be getting bigger as we go along here. Okay, we're getting there. Come on. Don't want to break the chain. That would not be good. I've had this a long time, as I said, and I would like to put it somewhere. This is not going well. Alright, let's pull. Certainly don't want to have this thing fall. Okay, that's getting there. Oh my golly. I'll tell you, if anybody knows of a good way to do this, by the time you send me the message, I will have dealt with this. Oh, man. It just likes to be challenging. Okay. I think what I've managed to do is pull a whole bunch more from the bottom end. Alright, how's that? I mean, technically this should just slide down the wire. It should. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now, so this is like a leaded glass thing. It is. And I just really recently got power to flow here. So if I got this going, it would hang. There's a little hanger thing here that I guess I could use. Of course, I could hang it on the chain, or I could move this thing, because it doesn't seem that that would put it very low. Anyway, and it has a string, and if I pull it, there it is. Ta-da! Of course, I would replace that now with an LED bulb. I would. Anyway, it seems to be all together. It seems to be happy. And, oh, it's got a broken thing on it. Oh, I didn't notice that. I don't know if you can see that on the blue. It's cracked. But still, somewhere, I want to hang it. And it won't be today, but I will figure out a spot. I've been thinking of coming up with some other sort of areas that I record different things in. This would be a good thing to have there. Maybe sort of just about there. Maybe not. Maybe, well, maybe it was a smaller bulb. Anyway, it lives. It does. And I will do my best to put it in a safe place right over here. And then I will figure out what and where I might put it. Now that I have the chain and the wire somewhat sorted. All right. Well, one of the things here is I keep going through things, but I've got to actually get things moving and out. So I have moved some stuff up and out, and I've got rid of some stuff, but I need to do more. So, yeah. Anyway, next time we'll look at some old vintage biker magazines and see what we see, and see what we find. And yes, now we have some Penny's hair here, and we have power. Baha. Thanks for coming to the basement. I guess as I get up, I will take these pillows and move them over to the remaining, I think it's the love seat, which means it seats 2, not 3. That would be a threesome. Thanks for coming. See you again soon. Bye for now.